Hello everybody, Jack, Rock and Roll Amps, doing a little bit of a test here. I wanted to hear the difference between a virtual pedal and the real thing, and I happen to have the Paradise Guitar Studio by Universal Audio, and they have what they call their Nashville Overdrive, which is a virtual version of this guy right here. So I got my Les Paul and plugged directly into an interface. And the magic is happening in Studio One. What else can I say? Okay, so as you could see, the virtual overdrive is on. Oh, let me tell you about what's happening here. All right, the amplifier that's being used is also virtual. It's a Ruby, Universal Audio Ruby, which is a Vox AC30. And I have it set to the Vibe Trem channel. The cut is off, and it's a very nice sound. And I'm using this 212 Dumble style cabinet that's got two 12-inch EVMs in it. And that's about it. I'm going to probably add some reverb later. So let's go back to the pedal. All right, so as you can see, it's on. So here's the bridge pickup on the Les Paul. Okay, let's shut this off. Now one last thing, ignore how the dials are set, because I did it by ear, not by trying to match bass cut to bass cut and spectrum to spectrum. That doesn't work. And the one big difference here is the bass cut on this pedal, it cuts more as you go clockwise. The other one is the reverse. All right, so anyway, here we go again. Here's the Nobels. Okay, and here's the virtual version. Okay, here's the neck of the virtual. Okay, shut it off. Nobels neck on the Les Paul. Okay, let's go back to the virtual version. And now back to the Nobels version. Virtual. Nobels version. Okay, a couple of simple riffs. Okay, that was the Nobels, and now virtual. to Nobels. Anyway, you make up your mind. Let me know in the comments. Thanks for watching. Bye.